Hello friends! In today's video, I'll show you how to add an Outlook email account to Gmail. Want to add Outlook Mail to Gmail? Here's how you can do it in a few easy steps. When you open Gmail in your browser, click the little gear icon at the top right corner and select See All Settings. Head over to the Account and Import tab. In the Check Mail from Other Accounts section, click Add a Mail Account. Enter your Outlook email address and click Next. Select the Link Accounts using Gmailify option and proceed to the Next button. Please enter your Outlook password and click Next once more. Once successfully added to the Outlook account, click the Close button. Your Outlook emails are now in Gmail, so you can easily manage all your emails in one place. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the free tech guide for more new tips and tricks.